everyone, it's Darby from rejoiceandcreate.com, and today I have some non-candy Valentine goodies that are suitable for your kids' classrooms. And this is what they are. It was modeled after the matchbooks, but what I did was I found some notebooks and some pens in Dollar Tree, and this is a cute little sock monkey on a heart, although they have other ones, and this little pen is a little gel pen, which is very cute. And I fit a matchbook to fit both of those. That makes that one sweet. Now another non-candy alternative would actually be one of these wacky balloons. And it's a miniature balloon, and actually you whack it and it will inflate. And as soon as I finish my project, I'm actually going to do that for you so you can see it inflate on camera. But that one will fit in here as well, and that makes a really cute non-candy Valentine's treat holder. Now, one of the things I like to do at Valentine's Day is just to let everyone know how much their creator loves them. So I try to find sentiments that echo his love. And one of the ones I found was actually at Hobby Lobby, and this one is Have Faith by Echo Park. And I used two sentiments from there: trust the Lord with all my heart, and for the project I'm doing today, love one another as I have loved you. The other sentiment that I used, do all things with love, was actually from a Tailored Expressions stamp set called Simply Stamped Tulips. And this is actually a nice one to have this time of year because there's two different multi-step stamped tulips that are really pretty. And it has do all things with love, Easter blessings, as well as Happy Mother's Day. Love you always, love always, praying for you. Some really nice sentiments to have, coming into the spring, Mother's Day and Easter. One other stamp set that I have was this one from Tailored Expressions called Be Still. And there's a really nice sentiment on this one that says, we love because he first loved us. And that's from the first letter of John. But it's a really good time to let everyone know that they are loved. So what we'll need for this project is a piece of cardstock that is 8.5 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. If you wish to mat the bottom part of the matchbook, you'll need a piece of pattern paper that is 1 1/8 of an inch tall and 3 1/4 inch wide. Now I didn't mat the top part of the matchbook, but if you want to mat the top part of the matchbook, you'll need a piece of pattern paper that is 2 5/8 inch tall and 3 1/4 inches wide. And then you'll need whatever embellishment that you want. And I'm going to use a banner, like I did on those, but I'll put it over the pattern paper. And I already stamped out my heart, so you don't have to wait for that to be done. Okay, it's very simple scoring. Just put your long side up and score it at 1 1/4, 1 3/8, 5 1/4, and 5 5/8. All right, and we'll go ahead and fold those score lines and just make sure your sides are matching up. And these can be very hard to do, so what I do is I just fold the first one, and then I'll just push this down a little bit until I can kind of pop that second one down. And that lets me do it without getting it too out of whack. All right, so pretty much that's our matchbook. Now, what I did to put the notebook in was I took some dimensionals. And you want it about 1/2 inch down. Don't put any dimensionals where that top part is, because that top part has to stick in about 1/2 inch. See, I'll pull that over to the side. So that's as far as it has to stick in. So put your dimensionals down a little lower. And for the heart-shaped one, I actually put them right here and here, so it would keep it, a little bit steadier. For the balloon, I just put them down the side. I put a strip of foam adhesive down the side of each one. All right, so I found that the side of this worked well, and I just cut a couple of little pieces of it. And for the notebook, I just put them right next to the notebook to help the heart stand upright, but made sure that I didn't go up to that top 1/2 inch of it. So it stopped right below where the top 1/2 inch of this would be, so this can tuck in, so the top will be able to tuck in. So that's how I did it for the heart. Just kept it in place, and it keeps the heart upright. For the balloon, what I did is I just put them on the sides over here. On the sides over here, and again I put them only up to about 1/2 inch so that the top can slip into it. Okay, put that aside for a second. All right, so now what I want to do is to make a hole for my little pen. And let me find my little pen. All right, now these pens I got in the Dollar Tree, and right at the end of it is where it will clip on. See, the only part of it sticks, only this part of it sticks out, but I want that to be in. So I'm going to pop a 1/4 inch circle, but just enough in so that this will sit inside the top. So if I look here, I can see that right here is where it's going to catch. So I want to make sure that the bottom of my circle is right there, or the side of my circle is right there. So I'm not going in very far, maybe only about 1/4 inch. And then you can see when I clip my pen in, and I clip it in from the inside, that comes through, but it keeps it aligned to the top of the matchbook. Okay. All right, so we're almost done. Let's go ahead and mat, and I went ahead and cut my mats already, so let's go ahead and get them on. And then I'll go ahead and put my banner and my heart on. Let me just line my heart up on my banner first. And then we'll go ahead and glue that on. And let me go ahead and put my heart in, my pen in, and I'm going to tuck this in so I know where to put my banner. And that's all there is to it. And it makes a very sweet present. All right, let me bring my other ones back in here too. So there's that one. And I went ahead and punched my hole as if I were putting a pen into this one, and just tied a little ribbon on and flagged the ends of it, because this is the one that has the balloon in it. And here's my first one. And I think they turn out very sweet, and it makes a very, very fun non-candy present. All right, as promised, I'm going to go ahead and whack one of these balloons and let you see how they inflate, because it says, smack the pack, watch and wait, and then see the surprise. The balloon inflates before your eyes. It is non-toxic. And these are 4 for $1 at Dollar Tree, or 6 for $2 at Walmart. And I'm going to go ahead and whack this one. The little dinosaur that says, "You are dynamite." There's a little puff pack in there, and you just smack it. And I found sometimes it helps to shake it a bit to get the chemical going. Alright, so there's the "You are dynamite." This one says, "You are out of this world." So I hope you enjoyed this project and give it a try. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified of new videos as I post them. If you want more information on this project or other projects I've done, please go to rejoiceandcreate.com. And as always, until we meet again, I hope your days are blessed.